students, today we are going to be learning about the 4 elements of a fable because very soon you are going to be writing your own. We are going to do this by reading 5 different fables and filling out this chart. The 4 elements of a fable are the title, the characters, the action, and the moral. We are going to start by reading a very well-known fable called The Hare and the Tortoise.
There once was a speedy hare who bragged about how fast he could run. Tired of hearing him boast, Slow and Steady the tortoise challenged him to a race. All the animals in the forest gathered to watch. Hare ran down the road for a while and then paused to rest. He looked back at Slow and Steady and cried out, "How do you expect to win this race when you're walking along at your slow pace?" Hare stretched himself out alongside the road and fell asleep, thinking, "There is plenty of time to relax." Slow and Steady walked and walked. He never ever stopped until he came to the finish line. The animals who were watching cheered so loudly for Tortoise, they woke up Hare. Hare stretched and yawned and began to run again, but it was too late. Tortoise was over the line. After that, Hare always reminded himself, "Don't brag about your lightning pace, for Slow and Steady won the race."
Please write your name at the top of your paper. So, to review, the 4 elements of a fable are the title, the characters, the action, and the moral. So, I will do this chart for the tortoise and the hare, and then we will read and fill out the chart together for the rest. So, the title of this fable is The Hare and the Tortoise. The characters are the hare and the tortoise. Do you see a connection? The action. So the action is the thing that leads to the moral being learned. So the action is the thing that the character does that they learn not to do later. So in this case, it was bragging because the hare was bragging about how fast he was. So, what is the moral? So, a moral is the lesson. So, we know that Hare was very confident, but he didn't work very hard. So, even though Tortoise was very slow, he still won because he never ever stopped. So this shows us that perseverance and hard work get the job done, and that bragging is no good. So when you write your own fable, these are what you're going to include. A title that has the characters in it, an action that you shouldn't do, and a moral.